Hey guys, welcome to another YouTube video. Today I will be, well, it's actually kind of a different video. We will be doing the Centurion Nerf Gun video, Mega Series, End Strike Elite. As you can see, the Centurion is pretty long, and Centurion. Go to Nerf's YouTube channel, and today I will be discussing how this gun works. So you have a stand. So when you have to like get behind a bush or just lay down so like it's kind of hard for them to see you. That's what this is for. The way this gun works, well, it has a clip. Just get it out. Clip is right here. It is a clip of 6 bullets, as you can see right there. 6. And the darts it uses is only mega darts. Really red and big. Okay? And so, yeah. So then you will put the dart, well, the clip, just right there, where it's facing forward. And then, like, how you cock it. The way you cock it is with that thing right here. So you just pull it back. I'll just show you guys an example. Well, it's already in shooting mode. So if it's already in shooting mode, well, if you have to cock it back, you cock it back all the way over here. But the way this works is you pull the trigger, and the gun, it's a sniper. To aim, you can get, this is the hard way. As you can see, it's kind of hard. Like over here, use that thing with that thing to just line it up and aim. So let's So it's a pretty good gun, and the way it cocks back is all the way over here, as I told you, and it'll just slide over there, and then once again you just pull the trigger and it shoots. Bam. So this gun is the Centurion. The Centurion stands for a word. And the word means long distance. This goes up to 100 feet. I saw, like, on the box. Yeah, oh, my finger's stuck. Just trying to get this bullet out. It didn't quite shoot it. But sometimes it does. It just got stuck. Just trying to fix it. So yeah, it's in the Mega Series, as you can see, right there. Yeah, and it has a thing right here, open, and there's also an ice version. It's blue. Go check out my friend YouTuber Zach Taylor. Go to his YouTube channel. And also go to Charlie's to see some of his Nerf videos. He has some cool ones. And just to let you know, guys, this gun can go up to 100 feet, if I might have mentioned. And it kind of curves sometimes. So, and it's in the End Strike Elite. right there. It's pretty long actually, as you can see. Like this doesn't, you can't really see it all the way. Just put this back. Yeah, and it's really cool. Yeah, so watch. I'm gonna make more of my Nerf videos, and we'll see you. See you guys.